Vaccines are a vital shield that protects lives. But did you know that even a slight change in storage temperature can make them ineffective? Household refrigerators can't guarantee stable temperatures. They have no temperature display and no auto defrost function, posing a high risk of vaccine degradation. Worldwide, 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius is the trusted standard for vaccine storage. As the WHO stated, even brief exposure above 8 degrees Celsius may compromise vaccine potency. Haier Biomedical's pharmacy refrigerators are designed specifically for storing pharmaceuticals and medical samples, maintaining optimal storage conditions with innovative technology to keep internal temperatures stable. They feature high-precision sensors and microprocessor control, with a temperature range of between 2 degrees Celsius and 8 degrees Celsius, and uniformity within plus or minus 1.5 degrees Celsius to prevent freezing of stored items. Built-in alarms for over-temperature, door-ajar, and power failure provide extra protection for stored items, while a USB port lets users export data with ease. Using eco-friendly HC refrigerant, the refrigerators also feature electrically heated glass doors to prevent condensation. Haier Biomedical Pharmacy Refrigerator, precise temperature control, ensures the interior temperature remains uniform within plus or minus 1.5 degrees Celsius. Automatic defrost technology, designed with an automatic defrost system, eliminating the need for manual defrosting. Timely alarm system, provides immediate alarms for any temperature anomalies, removing the need for frequent monitoring. Haier Biomedical Pharmacy Refrigerators, intelligent protection of life science.